Greetings folks, William C. Rogers back at you again with another video, and today we're going to go on a field trip. That's right, we're going to go on a field trip to a good little online marketing resource site called EasyMoneySite.biz. And as you can see from the header here, the site is ran by me, yours truly, William Caleb Rogers, and let's go ahead and get right into it and take a look. As you can see on the menu, we have the home button, we have the about this site button where you find out a lot about me, special training menu that I'm going to show you in just a few, get traffic here section, lead gen app, what is that all about, and of course the contact us spot there where you can quickly get in touch with me with any questions or concerns that you might have. So let's go ahead and do some scrolling so you can have a better look at the site. This was really a great little online marketing resource site I put together, and I just want you to know that you can come here without having to opt in, and you'll get all the different trainings and the resources that you'll need to make some income online. That's the true goal, to make not just a few dollars here and there, but to make a full-time living using the internet. As we know, online marketing is where it's at. You'll see all the big corporate sites putting all their advertising and marketing dollars online because that's where everyone is. Even a lot of the jobs nowadays is going online. There's all kind of remote worker sites that companies are starting to use. So you just gotta be savvy nowadays on how to achieve some success online, and that's what this site is all about. That's EasyMoneySite.biz, and you can see here's the footer with some other resources that you'll be interested in. I have the popular posts here on this side, the different tags, the main tags, not all the tags, but the main tags that this site actually covers. Now, said I want to go through some of those buttons over at the menu, so let's look at the about this site section. Just a few moments while it loads up for us. And here we are at the about me section. Let's go ahead and do some scrolling here, and you can see there's a big picture of me, a little bit about myself, where I'm from, and actually what got me started into this whole experiment, if you will, of trying to make money online. What led to what keeps me going, what did I see. And I even have a free gift for you guys when you come on to the about page. You'll see some of the services as well, not just on this in this area on the about page. You'll see the main services that I offer, have available throughout the site. You'll also see that on the sidebar there. Okay, now let's go ahead and go to the training menu. That's a pretty valuable resource page. I definitely want you guys to see, so let's go ahead and click on that. Give it a few seconds to load because there is a lot on this page. 1 second. And because this page is so big, it has so much in it, so many internet marketing resources and tools, and it has its own menu. There's 8 traffic lessons section. There's a traffic you can order right now section, pretty big. There's 18 different traffic sources, Facebook ads mastery training, digital products creation training, and this, including this page, is free, folks. It's free. Social media influencer, traffic link. Let's go ahead and scroll down. You'll see some of the training videos. All you do is click on the one you want and then press play. You click on the image and then you press play, and it'll just start playing for you right then and there. No opting in necessary. You don't have to pay for this, folks. I've seen training similar to these in programs that are thousands of dollars to as low as $497, but this is all free for you to come in. And again, I don't even ask you for your email. You just come in and train. Just come in and train yourself. That's what it's all about. You shouldn't have to spend so much money to get the simple resources you need. And so that's what I thought about. Different lessons, either 8 traffic lessons, big videos with lots of lessons on them. I've curated all of these lessons the best of the best trainings that you can find online. One on native advertising, show you exactly how to use it too. It's not just a video telling you about it, it actually tells you how to use it. Even something on getting free traffic with writing and submitting articles. They even got a resource where you don't even have to write the articles yourself and still get free traffic using the article marketing formula. Even with classified ads, I show you all of that. Show you all of that right here on this page, the training menu at EasyMoneySite.biz. Media buying, how do media buying? That's me there introducing that particular training. It's all there, folks. And top money make money online traffic providers. This is for those of you who have business opportunities and are in the make money online / internet marketing niche. A lot of us in the affiliate marketing world tend to come into that industry, into that niche, and it requires a specific type of traffic, and I have the exact traffic providers, the links directly to them, where you can just order however many visitors you want of real people who are already interested in those type of offers. And again, more places where you can just directly buy traffic from. And that's the training menu, folks. So let's go back to the top. There was something else I wanted to show you there. Yeah, right here where it says digital products creation training. I want you to go ahead and get a look at that. See what we have to offer on that. See this link right here? Let's click on it so you can see where it goes. And here we are, the digital products creation training page. You can see these are exact lessons that show you step by step exactly how to create your own digital products. Now, those of you who've been online for a minute, how many times have you seen trainings that show you how to create your own product and they're costing $297, $497, $997 just for you to purchase? You don't have to pay that, folks. Just come on over to EasyMoneySite.biz, click on that training menu, then go on that sub menu and hit digital products training. You'll get right here. Again, I don't ask you for your email, I don't ask you for your name, I don't ask you for your phone number. This is free resource for you and anyone to use. I would ask that you share it. You'll see some sharing links over here to the left. I ask that you share it. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or your favorite social media platform. That'd be very awesome, but it's not a requirement. Not a requirement, folks. Totally free to use. Just wanted to show you. Make sure you saw that. Let's go back up to the top. We'll go to the main menu now. Let's go to this thing that says Get Traffic Here. What's that all about? I just showed you traffic training. Well, what's the Get Traffic Here aspect? You'll see in just a second. Here page. And you can see it's composed of several different more video trainings on how to get free traffic. The other trainings really mainly focus on traffic services that you would have to pay for, but that's the most fastest direct route. I mean, this is called the EasyMoneySite.biz blog. That's the name of this site. But you can get free traffic. It just takes more time. Just go ahead and watch these videos and you'll see. Even I repeated the native advertising video, which is a paid method. And for affiliate marketing, just straight up traffic for affiliate marketing products and services, specialized traffic sources are revealed in this video. It's not the same ones as on the training menu. There's a few on there that I know you haven't seen. Even how to use YouTube ads, which is really giving the most bang for buck nowadays. It's all about YouTube ads. And you don't even have to put your face on camera. A lot of people are kind of intimidated by that aspect. They got to put their face on camera, but there's no need for that. Just watch the video, you'll see. Even a video on the daily plan of action, what you should be doing on a day-to-day basis to keep the traffic coming and to keep your audience pleased, to make sure you continue bringing what they like. And all of these different buttons, again, bring you to different resources where you can get traffic. The viral marketing traffic campaigns, you can even order that. Software you can use to get free traffic. Collection 999 emails that cover a span of 9 different niches. You can use these emails for all your email marketing purposes when you're building your list, when you're building your audience. We have the emails already for you folks right here at EasyMoneySite.biz. That's at the Get Traffic page. Let's go ahead back to the main menu again. See Viral Lead Gen app. What all that is simply software that allows you to build lead generation pages that are strategically already designed to go viral. That's what these pages do. And this is just a short demo that shows you how the software works. And here we are on the Viral Lead Gen app demo page. I'll leave you to go ahead and come to EasyMoneySite.biz and hit that link in the menu, hit that menu option there, and you can watch the video for yourself. And you'll see exactly how the software works, and you just click that button and it'll take you to where you can go and get it and use it for yourself. That's EasyMoneySite.biz site, folks. That's it. Let's go back to the home page. Back at the home page. That's it. An easier way to make money online. You see why I called it that now? I called it an easier way because I have everything provided to you for you on one site, and pretty much everything is free that you come here. And again, I can't stress it enough. I don't even make you opt in. I don't put that requirement. All that I really just sort of ask you to do is share it when you find something useful. Use one of these sharing links over here to the far left side. Use one of those and make sure other people get some access to this too. Even the blog posts alone are gonna teach you a whole lot and reveal a whole lot that's going on in the industry. There's even some reviews I do of some of the latest products and software on there, but most of the posts are actually just additional training steps. See, like this one, top 10 mistakes to avoid in internet marketing. Very great post there. A video, another one of my videos where I answered some questions on the popular question and answer site Quora. It's all here at this online marketing, internet marketing resource website. That's it, folks. And I'm certainly glad that you took the time to watch this video. Please like and share and absolutely hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be coming with more videos to show you even more resources and more training. That address again is EasyMoneySite.biz. I hope to see you here soon. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.